everybody, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. Apologies, you guys, for the way I look. I am a hot mess today. It is Tuesday the 19th of April 2022. Y'all will see this on Wednesday. I just came in from doing evening chores with the horses. I'm filthy. I have done a chemical peel as of last Friday, Good Friday, and my face looks like cornflakes. I have like flaking everywhere and it looks so gross. And I'm dirty because I was doing vaccines today on some of the horses. I thought I'd quick show you guys that. And then we do have Eyescream Beauty to unbox for April. So I don't have a ton of horses. I used to order my vaccines for the horses in a vial, which would be 10 doses for the vial. Because they don't have that many animals, I actually order them in single doses. They come next day air, refrigerated. They come basically like wrapped with a freezer pack. And this is what the insert looks like for the vaccine, and it comes with a lot number and an expiration. So what I do when I vaccinate one of the horses, I write the name of the horse that this particular vaccine card goes with and the date of the vaccination. So I have one for each of the 3 that I did today. Now, I did not do 2 of the horses. I have 5. Because last Friday, on Good Friday, I did vaccinate the whole herd for rabies, and 2 of them are still having a bit of a swollen, area of injection and stuff. They're still processing that vaccine, so I'm going to let them go a little longer before I follow up with their next vaccine. But these 3 were fine. Absolutely didn't have any major, localized reactions or anything. It's been long enough, so I got these guys done. If you are curious, this is what's called a 5-way vaccine, and they are being vaccinated for influenza, tetanus toxoid, rhinopneumonitis, and Eastern and Western encephalomyelitis. So it's called a 5-way. Again, they also got rabies, and then later in the season, usually midsummer, I do vaccinate them for West Nile virus. So because that is very deadly. So that is what I do, kind of how I keep my records. That way I have the lot number of the vaccine. If there is an issue, I know what horse got what vaccine. So, all right, you guys. Let's get into Eyescream Beauty. This is the box for April 2022. And I do want to mention to you guys, today is the first time I'm recording with my new setup with my camera. If you watched my most recent video, I did unbox some stuff from Amazon. I have the little desk tripod all set up. So far so good, but if it suddenly releases and you guys go flying, I apologize. I'm sure I'll edit that out, but so I did just get, like a week ago, March's bag from them. I have not seen my April bag, but today I am running behind. I am probably one of the last group to get the Eyescream Beauty Box. So let's see what's in it. I honestly, you guys, I have set a few of my friends' videos on play, but I've walked away because I didn't want to know what was in the box. I do like to be surprised. So here we go. We got all the fun little packing peanuts. Found the card is in here. Card for April. It says the theme is You Are Blooming, or You Are Blooming. Very cute, very Easter themed, although Easter was last weekend. It is not Easter anymore. All right, first thing I see is the palette. You're always supposed to get a palette. Now, you guys, you watched either of my March unboxings, my March box or my March bag. This does not happen with me with Eyescream Beauty, but both of those, the box and the bag, each of them had a swatched item in it, which literally never happens to me. And to have it happen in the same subscription in the same month was a little surprising. So in my box last month, the Hikari blusher had a huge fingerprint and fingernail divot in it. And then I got a palette, actually it's right here in the bag, and it has a fingerprint in one of the shades. So I contacted them. They're supposed to be giving me credit for an extra bag. I was supposed to get my Hikari, a replacement Hikari blush in here. I'm not holding out a whole lot of luck on that. We'll see. Could be wrong. So we got the Ace Beauty Quintessential Palette. That is awesome. You guys, I really like Ace Beauty. They have honestly been really nice quality eyeshadows. Really nice quality. So this will be fun to see. I'm not sure this will be in my color story, but I appreciate the fact that Ace Beauty puts it in bubble wrap. That is smart on their part. So the front, this is supposedly cruelty-free and made in China. So there's the back. It does say, warning for external use only. Discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash occur. That's a little weird. All right, why will this not open? There we go. Oh, it's very pretty. No mirror, which is nice. It does have a shade saver. I'm going to set that aside to show you guys what this looks like from kind of afar. So you can see the design here by my hands. And let's bring the colors in close. Really nice big pans. Ace Beauty is really nice, you guys. I know BoxyCharm sells a lot of it, and honestly, I'm really glad to see Eyescream Beauty is getting some good stuff from Ace Beauty because I really like it. I feel like it was in December we got an Ace Beauty palette. Had a whole bunch of, it was like a purplish themed palette, and I love it. And I know a ton of people who saw myself and other YouTubers unbox it immediately subscribed to that palette. Wonderful palette. So this is very nice. I'm gonna just set it aside for now. So I usually try to save the palette for last, but obviously it took up a huge amount of space in here. All right, next is a Mirabella Iconic. This has got to be a crayon. Oh, it's a winged liner and stamp. See, I told you guys I didn't watch. So I do not use these, you guys, because honestly, I have so much like loose skin that for me to try to do like a winged look with most eyeliners, what happens is the liquid eyeliner gets into like one of the creases and it runs, and it is just a mess. So I'm going to set that aside. That will become part of a future giveaway item. Next we have, oh, banana setting powder from, who is this? What does it say? Oh, it is Bella Pierre. I thought it was, and then I got a little confused. So there's Bella Pierre. So you guys, we'll go back through this at the end. I'll go through the MSRPs and stuff. So the top was loose on it, but you guys, they nicely do come with a safety seal on them. So the little sticker that you would pull out. I've got a lot of banana setting powders recently. I did get one in, I don't remember if it was my Beauty Creations or my Be Bella, but my mystery box. So that'll probably go in a giveaway. Bella Pierre is really nice. Very happy to get that. This is Be a Bombshell Eye Base in Big Teal. So let's go ahead and wiggle that out of the box. So eye base to me could mean two things. It could be a pigment, like loose pigment. It could be a primer. I don't know. Ooh. So right there, it is hard to see. If I turn it, I see a little bit of hint of blue, but let's see what it looks like. Ooh. It looks like it is a gel base, basically like eyeshadow. That's really pretty. Blue is not my color. I won't be keeping this. Excuse me. So it's called Big Teal is the color. Again, I'll get to the MSRP in a bit, you guys. All right, they did not send me my replacement item. Why am I not surprised? All right, so then we have a Girlactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. That is what it looks like. Must be a lip gloss. Very shiny box. Pop it out here. So, yeah, not happy with... They told me they were going to send it. I said, send it in my bag or my box. They didn't send it in the bag. They didn't send it in the box. So, oh, that's cute. I feel like I've gotten this before. It's cute. It looks like a test tube, and then there's little petals of rose rolling around in here. I don't remember which subscription box I've gotten this in before, but I definitely have gotten that before. So that is it, you guys. There is nothing else in here other than a bunch of the packing peanuts. So I don't know, you guys, do I wait to email them and say, hey, you were supposed to send me another replacement blush, or do I wait and see like if my bag shows up, if it's in there? Honestly, I don't know. So, all right, MSRPs, you guys. This, we do it so it's not upside down. This Girlactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss supposedly is $20. I would not probably pay 20 bucks for that, but okay. The banana powder from Bella Pierre, $30 for that. Can't say I would spend 30 bucks on this. And the size on this is 4 grams or 0.14 ounces. Also made in China. Then we have the Be a Bombshell, the very pretty Big Teal. I think it's like a gel. It's called a eye base, and it's $14. I could see that. And does it have the size on here? Oops, upside down. 2.5 grams or 0.09 ounces. And it's in a glass jar. We've got Mirabella's Winged Eye Stamp, which is very nice. $20. It's a kit, and you guys, honestly, I can't. You know, it's the age and the saggy skin, and I've tried. I'm hopeless. So anyway, this is what it looks like. It's nice. It's shrink wrapped, you guys, which is great. So very nice. That is nice. If I wasn't such an old fart, I would definitely be happy about that. And then I think obviously the icing on the cake is going to be the Ace Beauty palette, and this is $40. And honestly, even though it's made in China, you guys, Ace Beauty has been really good quality, and the size of the pans is really, really nice. There's some beautiful, beautiful shimmers and beautiful matte colors in this. Really pretty, and I have had really good luck with the Ace Beauty palettes I've gotten. Like I said, even BoxyCharm carries it. So, like I said, I'm really, really happy to see Ice Cream has gotten some Ace Beauty palettes. So that's been awesome. So that's $40 again. So we have, let's see, 40, 50, okay, 90, 110. $124 if my math serves me. That's 50 plus 40 is 90 plus 20 is 110 plus 14. Yeah, $124. So do you think I got $124 worth of product? You guys, it's very inexpensive. Like less than 30 bucks, you guys, right? $25. I think it's great. Guaranteed to get a palette. You guys, the bag, which I haven't got my April bag yet, but the bag is $12.50. You do need to pay shipping on that. I'm assuming shipping might vary a little bit where you're at, but, and I think probably, I don't remember if taxes were on that, but 12.5 bucks plus, you know, 4 or 5 bucks shipping, maybe less than that. I don't know. You're probably spending $16 for the bag. It's usually 3 items. You're also guaranteed a palette. I think it's a pretty good deal. I'm curious to see if they can continue to do this with the inflation going on, if they are going to end up increasing their prices or anything like that. You know, you guys, we've seen a lot of cosmetics companies closing down, and that is a bit of a concern. You know, a pandemic obviously impacted a lot of companies, but we've also seen a lot of subscription boxes just either just disappear, shut down, whatever. The last one that I know of is Fashionistas The Box. Not really sure what happened there. It just poof, disappeared. I don't know if they ended up having issues with taxes with the government, or if they went bankrupt. I really haven't seen much, but so, you know, I really hope that Ice Cream continues to do really well because I really do enjoy this. Boxy and Ipsy have had to increase their price. I would not be surprised, you guys, if Ice Cream Beauty is going to need to. So if you are considering subscribing, you might jump in now, and maybe you can lock in the price. I don't know. I know there's probably a discount for, there's not on the bag, but there might be a discount for if you subscribe for like 3, 6, or 12 months for the box. Honestly, you guys, with the way that like these boxes are kind of coming and going, I don't generally subscribe for more than 3 months at a time because of the risk. Doesn't matter the company, just we are in an inflationary period. Everything is getting more expensive. It concerns me. Fashionistas The Box was very well known, very reputable, and they just disappeared. So, you know, it could happen to anybody. So up to you, but remember there is risk involved. Keep your receipts. I always suggest check your credit card, see what the guarantees are, maybe pay for it through a certain credit card that has like a certain guarantee that if you run into trouble, I don't know. But yeah, thanks you guys so much for spending some time with me checking out this box. I'm sure some of you have already seen it, but appreciate you guys humoring me on the jibber jabber about the horses' vaccinations. Let me know if you got questions down below on any of this stuff, you guys. I really appreciate your time. Oh, and congratulations to my winner of my 2,300 subscriber giveaway. You guys, I'm not at 2,300 subscribers yet, but I'm closing in on it. I'm like maybe 25 away, so if you could share me out, that's great. But congratulations to the winner. Make sure you check that video out and give her a congratulations in the comments. And have a great week, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.